Hello guys, welcome back to the channel. In today's video, I'm going to give you a review of butternut squash and grow a garden. Okay, let's get into it guys. I just got this butternut squash seed after visiting the rat connoisseur, and then I'm going to show you whether the seed worth or not to pick. And actually I have already planted this butternut squash seed on my garden, and I'm going to show you how the butternut squash looks like. Okay, this is for the butternut squash. Okay, and then I'm going to collect it to see the base value of it. Okay, and let's go to the sell menu, and then I'm going to try to sell my butternut squash. Let me search it. Butternut squash, the original one, or the butternut squash without mutation. Okay, and let's try to sell it. How much is this worth? Okay, and well, not bad. And I think it will be better with the mutation. I'm going to click on I want to sell this, and let's try with mutation guys. And for the mutated butternut squash, I'm going to try this one. Yeah, it's better. And yeah, I think it's worth to choose when the rat connoisseur give you 3 options and one of the option is butternut. I think it's worth to choose the butternut because you will get higher value if you grow it bigger with sprinkler, and after the mutation I think it will be better. Okay guys, and that's all the video for today. I hope this tutorial will be useful for you. Thank you so much for watching, and bye.